Hey there, welcome to Tutor's Build Your Website workshop. So, with this, as part of this video, I'm going to be clarifying you from a client's perspective on what you're going to be learning when you enroll into the program, right? So, first, we'll see at what you would learn. We'll basically teach you everything that is required for anybody to start on website development. So we'll tell you all the basics about what goes in the client side, the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We'll also tell you what to do on the server side, the database side, the three-tier architecture. All of that we'll cover. Not only that, we'll also end up building a great website during the workshop. You will do it yourself. An amazing part is that we'll not only teach you how to do a website, we'll also tell you how to take this website online and host it on the internet. Not just that, doesn't end there. What we'll also do is we'll also teach you how to make money with this website and how what are the strategies that you could employ to monetize and earn from the website, right? So you might think, okay, you're saying a lot of stuff. Show me some sample website that I could build. So let me show you one of the sample websites that we built during the workshop. So if you take a look at this, this is something that we built during the 4-hour workshop. So as you can see, it looks good, very professional, very good tabs. So you have some set of contents here. You also go on to the contact form where you have a set of forms to fill up. You can collect information from the user. So this proves that the website that we are teaching you is not a static website, but a dynamic website that allows you to basically collect information from the internet. Not just that, we are going to be having a cool feature where you can let anybody in the internet register into the website and log into the website. Not just that, we are building a cool utility, something like a record expense manager, where you can basically record all the expenses that anybody in the internet wants to record, and they can go and see a report of what all expenses that they made. So on a high level, this is a sample grade website that you will build by yourself during the workshop. Doesn't end here. We'll also tell you, as I said, on how to take this website to online and host it and to make money with it. So I hope that kind of sums up a sample site that we would do. Now you might think you're claiming a lot of stuff. It's very tough to believe, right? Now let me show you reviews of people who have already attended the workshop. So this, as you can see, is a Google Form review. This is purely authentic in terms of the people who have rated. So if you can take a look at this, you see that the communication of the tutor as well as his knowledge level is rated very high. They scroll all the way. People say it is a very engaging and fun workshop. People say it was very good in terms of hands-on activity. And especially, you might, if you're apprehensive whether you are a beginner, whether it'll be suitable, this workshop is just for you, as the review suggests. Also, you can see that a lot of people have rated really well in terms of the number of things that you can learn. Going below, a lot of people are extremely satisfied after attending the workshop. As you can see, there are hundreds of reviews, not 5 or 10 people, right? 97% of them definitely want to recommend this workshop to their friends. And if I scroll all the way below, let me show some of the other important stuff. And you could be thinking, oh, this is an online workshop, but how can I attend? But take a look at this. Even though it's a virtual WebEx meeting, the session seemed to be really well organized that nobody felt any glitch. Also, we send a lot of pre-workshop mails that make you prepared to take part in the workshop. So that way, there is almost no excuse here. Take a look at the comments here. People say that they were glad that they have been enrolled. They say it was very useful for the beginners. It was very effective. They say everything was quite perfect, was best. They are glad that they attended this. So once you take part in the workshop after the 4 hours, these are stuff that you will also say. Believe me, just enroll in the workshop and you will get all these important skills that you will need to build a great website. I'm excited to see you because there is basically no prerequisite. Anybody, even if you're not from CS or IT background, you know nothing about coding or technology, don't worry. We have curated this course in such a way that anybody without prerequisite can still take part in the workshop. And at the end of the 4 hours, you will be able to build a beautiful website just like what I have here. So why wait? Just go on and enroll by clicking the link below.